Argos tracks every print and copy job at your company, and then helps your staff assign those document costs to a project or account code. Once collected, this information is sent to your accounting system for client reimbursement or internal cost allocation. Argos is compatible with large format printers, MFPs, and color production equipment. And unlike other tracking programs, Argos won't hold your print hostage. Only after your documents come out will you be prompted to assign those costs. And when making copies, you won't be forced to select a code at the panel. No more pecking at that tiny keyboard. Just make your copies, and the Argos billing dialog will appear back at your computer where you can easily assign those costs to a project. The Argos billing dialog is packed with helpful features that make it easy for anyone to quickly and accurately bill their print and copy costs. Argos integrates with popular accounting packages like Deltek, BST, and Oracle, so project lists stay up to date and billing information is entered automatically. Argos can help turn print and copy costs into revenue.